What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be changing our brake lever handle of our Yamaha Zumas. As you can see, I had a spill. I didn't extend my sidebar far enough, and bloop, down went my Scooty Magooty. So today we're going to be changing this. The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing this protective cover. To do so, you're gonna start from over here, and we're gonna pull this like this. I'm not sure if you can see this to the side, and we're gonna lift. We're gonna go like this and up. Pull it like that. Now pull that off. Pull it off from the bottom, and it should slide right off. Protective cover, put that somewhere safe. I'm just gonna put it on the carrier for now. Here's the new lever. If you need the part number, there it is. All right, here we have it. So we're gonna be removing a pin and a bolt. We're gonna be removing this bolt right here and this pin right here. This bolt right here also has another nut over here. All right, so from the bottom side, I'm gonna use this pliers right here to grab hold of it. And while on the top, I'm gonna grab this number 10 socket from Harbor Freight, put that in there, and we're gonna remove it like that. I'm not gonna be able to film it if I need both hands. But you're just gonna be holding on to this one, hold this one tight, and you're gonna be loosening with that one up there. Now, as I'm holding this down, I'm actually tightening it to loosen it up. I'm gonna be loosening it until you see this little thing right here. This thing right here. You can see this little piece right here. Till it goes up, and then that comes off. As you can see, it's coming loose. So the bottom nut came off. Here it is. Put it somewhere safe. And this you're gonna have to continue taking off. All right, so once you see it come up as much as you can and you don't see it come off anymore, from here we're gonna have to pull it up. Sometimes it gets stuck, so we're gonna have to just press on the handlebar while we pull up. All right, so if it's still stuck after you take it off, you'll probably gonna have to squeeze this a little bit while you pull it. I can't do it with one hand. See if I can do it like this. There it goes. So we're gonna be cleaning this up, and we're gonna be lubing it once we're done with it. All right, once we're putting it back together. As you can see, if I pull this gently, I should be able to pull this piece out. So this piece goes on here and slides in between. In between here. So now last, all we have to do is take off this one right here. And you can see we're gonna have to take off this cotter pin over here, pull out the pin, and replace it. All right. I'm gonna try bending it with this right now. All right, once that's off, we're gonna take the new one and we're gonna slide it into place. And from there, after that, we're gonna put in the pin back on, but first we're gonna put some grease on it. All right, so the manual calls for silicone grease. This stuff right here, I have no idea what it is, but something is better than nothing, right? All right, and from here I just use some pliers to bend it back into place. All right, so this is the hardest part of the whole procedure, is trying to align all the holes together and putting the pin back and sliding the bolt back into the hole. It took me quite some time, to be honest with you. It was not easy, it was not fun, but just mess around with it and you'll get it. Here it is when I finally got it through all the holes. All right, so we're gonna be tightening this back down, but we're gonna be going in reverse, meaning we're gonna be going counterclockwise to tighten it down into place. Once you see the little stub pop out of the bottom piece, we can grab the nut and put it into place. We're just gonna grab it and we're gonna stick it in with our fingers and just hold it into place while you're ratcheting it in. This is what it should look like once it's done and nice and tight. Make sure you do got it nice and tight. You don't want your pivot bolt to be loose. And lastly, all you have to do is put the protective cover back on. Just slide it into place and just do it in reverse. Make sure you test the lever, make sure it works, everything is pulling properly. And when you do the test ride, go slow, please. Thank you and have a great day.